Okay, so going along up here, we have the control bar. This has things like the tempo, the tap tempo. We can choose the time signature, the metronome. We also have our quantization here. Then going across, we have the arrangement position, and then we have the transport controls, so play, stop, record. So going along, we have some of the overdubbing features. And then we have some controls for mapping, keyboard, MIDI mapping. And then we have some system performance indicators like the CPU, and also if there's MIDI information coming in from external MIDI devices. We're going to go through more of these when we need them, because if you're new to Ableton Live and explaining exactly what some of these things do, it's not really in context. So the best thing to do is carry on through these lectures, and when we go in and start making music and explain what the instruments do, what the audio effects do, what the MIDI effects do, Max for Live, the plugins, the clips, the samples, the places, when we go through all of this, it will make a lot more sense. But I don't really want to go through some of these over technical things to start with. I want you to go in and start making music, start experimenting, having a look at this session view, having a look at the arrangement view, just start putting in beats, start putting in ideas, start getting loops. And then we explain in detail how you can use more of these features in Ableton Live. But the most important thing is to just start. So I recommend just going to Ableton Live now and just start playing with some ideas. The next lecture, we're going to have a look at this browser feature over here. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.